quiet heart of the forest, life breathes in perfect harmony. Towering trees stand like ancient guardians, their roots whispering stories older than time. Sunlight filters through the green canopy, awakening leaves, insects, and unseen creatures below. Every sound, the rustle of branches, the distant call of birds, the soft footsteps of wildlife, forms a living symphony. This is not just a forest, it is a world where survival, balance, and beauty exist together, reminding us that nature thrives when left untouched and respected.